Roses are red, violets are blue. Valentine's Day is coming up. I have nothing. My poetry is not. Roses are red, violets are blue. Hey, you. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Okay, just cut it. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina, coming at you with another video. This one's going to be fairly quick, I think, for the most part. It is February, so everyone is doing like these Valentine's Day looks, and so I was just like, hey, let me just jump on board and do a Valentine's Day look myself. Personally, I ain't going nowhere for Valentine's Day. I will be at work, you know, I guess securing the bag. Is that what they say? Okay, so I will be at work on Valentine's Day, but I still thought it would be cool to try to do a Valentine's Day look. I'm really not into doing the pink shadows or red shadows on my eyes, so I'm just going to try something different just for the sake of YouTube. But just keep watching and we'll see how this look turns out together. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and please let me know what you want to see on this channel. I'm open to suggestions, and I definitely want to give you guys videos that you guys want to see. So keep watching and stay tuned. So a little hesitant as I was applying the eyeshadow, but it actually turned out pretty good, and I love the lip color. So yeah, this is a bit much for where I'm about to go right now, but hopefully it is just right for you and where you're going on Valentine's Day, whether you're hanging out with your girls or you're out with your boo. Hopefully this look is just right for you. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel. If there's something that you want to see, please let me know. The description of everything that I'm wearing will be in the description box below. And so yeah, happy Valentine's Day. But for real, like low-key, high key, but like for real, like if you want to send me flowers at my job, just let me know, because you know, that'll be cute. I'll be working on Valentine's Day. Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm cute, and so are you.